Excuses. We've all got a million of them ready at a moment's notice. I'm too busy. I'm too tired. Maybe tomorrow. It's time to face a hard truth. Excuses are easy, but they won't get you anywhere. Every day you hesitate, every time you blame circumstances or other people, you're choosing comfort over progress. No one cares about the reasons why you didn't succeed. They only see whether you did or didn't. Life doesn't hand out free passes or sympathy for what could have been. You either make it happen or watch opportunities slip away. The comfort of excuses. Excuses are comforting lies. They wrap us in a warm blanket of justification, whispering that it's okay to stay where we are. It's not my fault. I don't have the resources. It's not the right time. These are the stories we tell ourselves to avoid the hard work and risk of failure. But guess what? That comfort is a cage. Every excuse is another bar holding you back from your potential. The more you cling to excuses, another bar holding you back from your potential. The more you cling to excuses, the smaller your world becomes. While you sit and rationalize, someone else out there is grinding, hustling, turning your excuses into their opportunities. Excuses are the bricks that pave the road to nowhere. So ask yourself, do you want comfort or do you want victory? Because you can't have both. The cost of excuses. Every excuse carries a cost. Time wasted, potential unrealized, dreams deferred or abandoned. You might not feel the cost immediately, but it accumulates. Days of procrastination turn into years of stagnation. One day you wake up and wonder, what if I had tried harder? Where could I be now? The price of excuses is regret. While discipline and effort are painful in the moment, the pain of regret lasts a lifetime. Most people don't regret the chances they took and failed. They regret the chances they never took at all. Each time you choose an excuse over action, you're writing a future chapter of what might have been. Think about the opportunities you missed because you said no to yourself. Think about the skills you never developed, the goals you never reached, all because it was easier to say, I'll do it later, or I can't because. Excuses steal your future. They are the thief of your dreams, taking ownership. Enough is enough. No more excuses. The life you want is within reach, but you have to grab it. That means taking ownership of your decisions, your actions, and every result. The moment you accept that it's all on you is the moment you become powerful. Because if it's up to you, you can change it. Can't find the time? Make the time. Don't have the knowledge? Learn it. No one believes in you. Believe in yourself and prove them wrong. Nobody is coming to save you or hand you success. This is on you. When you take full responsibility, you also claim full control. You start finding solutions instead of problems. You turn I can't into how can I. You fall and say, okay, I learned. Now let's try again. When nothing is given to you, you go out and earn it. Victims make excuses. Victors make a way. Every setback becomes fuel, not a reason to quit. When you own your choices, you own your power. Today, drop every excuse at the door. They don't serve you anymore. Look yourself in the mirror and confront the truth. The only person responsible for your life is you. It's time to step up. It's time to do the work. The world won't wait, and neither should you. No more waiting, no more whining. Channel all that energy you've wasted on excuses into action. Prove to yourself and anyone watching that you mean business. From this moment on, when faced with a challenge, your answer is not an excuse. It's, I got this. Your dreams are counting on you, and you are the only one who can deliver. So get up, step up, and make it happen. No more excuses, only results.